Zuzu. You ready to go bye-bye? Zeus. Zizu. Zeus. Pretty boy. Ready to go bye-bye? Where are you going? It's the opposite of bye-bye. You've eaten everything in the house. Yeah. You go bye-bye. Where you go? You gonna go bye-bye? Huh? You gonna go bye-bye? Gonna get in the van? Can you sit? Zeus? Can you sit? Huh? Oh, good boy. Pretty boy, Zeus. Yes, a pretty boy. That's right. Stand on your owner. Okay, you two. Uh-oh. Eating my pillows again? You already ate the lamp. Alright, Goofy.